Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to kick a member from your Discord server, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to kick a member in your Discord server, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to the server where you want to kick a member. And once you're on the server, next, I want you to tap the server name at the top. And then after that, go to Settings. And once you're on Settings, I want you to scroll down until you find the Members option. And once you've found it, just go and tap it. So here in the Members section, you will now be able to see all members of your server, so just find the one that you want to kick. So let's say that this is the member that you want to kick, for example. So to do that, just tap their profile. And then you will now be able to see the kick option right here, just go and tap it. And after that, though this is optional, but you can choose if you want to enter the reason why you want to kick this member, just type in the reason right here. And once you're done, you can now tap the kick button. And after that, it's done. You have now kicked a member from your Discord server. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.